are available on Miss. You're a lucky girl. Another dollar. A foam bath. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tudoli, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Today it's Monday. I didn't go for my run because your girl was drinking this weekend, like Neho. So like I'm just feeling tired, but I wasn't drinking yesterday, but like I'm still tired, and today was a rest day for me, so I'll just go tomorrow. Right now I just took a bath and I want to go to the mall quickly. Tomorrow I'm attending a workshop, so I need a copy of my ID. I think I have one. I just need to double check, and then I have to go print out my proof of account because I'm gonna need those tomorrow. And then what else? Oh, and I've been trying to also log into my Gmail on my laptop because there's something I need to apply for, and I'm struggling. Like, I don't know what's going on. So that too, but I think I'll just deal with it later on. And also a friend of mine said she wants to meet, so we'll probably also do that later on. She said she wants to meet at 12. It's currently 10, so yeah. I can't even show you guys my outfit, but I was wearing this thingy yesterday. I was wearing this same outfit yesterday, and I was carrying this bag. Yesterday I wasn't really doing anything. I was supposed to go out and meet with my friends, but I was like, girlies, like I need some rest. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the mall quickly. These shades are available on Miss Lee, and they're about to, like, I haven't been advertising on my business page and my WhatsApp. I don't know, like, I'm very inconsistent, but I'll be back very, very soon. Like, I'll start posting like I used to. So yeah, I've been lacking in that department, but thank you so much for clicking on this video yet again, and I hope you like the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, see you guys in the next video, guys, and welcome back to another video. It is the next day today, and I just got here by Joberg. It's a college, Ellis Park College, I think, or Johannesburg Ellis Park, something like that. I don't know what to expect, so I'm just gonna go in and see what the vibes are. I'm not sure if I'll be able to vlog, but if I do get a chance, definitely I will put in a few videos and stuff like that. So yeah. Hi guys, so it is the next day after I had went to the workshop. It went very well. I learned a few things or two. So yeah, so basically it is just like a business type of workshop. Like, I don't want to get too much into it. And yeah, today it is, it's Wednesday. Yeah, like I'm not having a good day, honestly. Hey guys, I was just saying that I'm not having a good day at all, but I wanna make something to eat, and I wanna use my new pan for the first time. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna make short ribs, and then I have mashed potatoes from Monday. So we're gonna have that, and I also have corn. And welcome back to another day, another dola. It is days, probably a week later. Like this vlog, I can show a guy. Genuinely do not know. I just came back from ShopRite because I needed a few things, but ended up buying a whole bunch of stuff. I bought I don't know if you can see behind me. I bought meat and then I bought stuff. So I'm gonna unpack that, but I'm not gonna do it with you because it's just gonna eat up all my space. And I haven't unboxed my thingy, and I'm not gonna do it because it'll do like a. So I'm just gonna keep it in the box maybe until I get a cupboard, and I'll get that soon. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna unpack, and then let me just show you what I got from Pep. I hope this is still recording. Is it still recording? Because I'm using my back camera. I bought this. It's the small ones. I already have 2 of these, so it's 4. And I bought this for my cupboard because everything is all over the place. I bought some foam bath. Oh my gosh, I bought another foam bath. Damn. I forgot I took this one from Pep because I went to Pep first before I went to Joberg. And then I got this. This thing for my popcorn because I buy a lot of popcorn, and then the packet is a thing there in the drawer. So this is what I got, yeah, from Pep store. So I want to go to the stadium. There is a soccer tournament happening. So there is a soccer tournament happening here in my hood. I'm not like, I want to go, but I'm not going there to watch soccer. I'm not interested. I just want to be outside. So now my only issue is that I don't have like warm. I do like, I have jackets, but my jackets it's a June, since you're June. So I don't know, and I'm also waiting for my cousin to arrive. If she doesn't come, I'm just gonna have to look for somebody else that I can go there with, because I genuinely wanna go outside. Hello guys, it is the next day. It's Tuesday today. I'm gonna make something to eat. I've been chopping this butternut and I want to put it in the oven quick. Like, I'm not feeling too good, and I'm also gonna make the couscous. I'm just gonna make a simple meal, and I have meat from, what was yesterday, Monday. Yes, I have meat from Sunday. So I'm just gonna do all of this and then call it a day. And I also went to go do my nails the other day. They look so cute. This is how the food came out. This was supposed to be coleslaw, but I don't have carrots and I'm not going outside to go get them because I genuinely don't want to go outside. Yeah, I just don't. But it turned out good. Good morning guys, it is days later and I'm looking for a mirror. I'm with my son and he's laughing. Anyway, I am looking for a mirror. So the last time I passed the shop and I was like, I need to come back, but already I'm seeing the mirror that I want. I saw it that side for 1,000 rand. I saw that Dragon City for 1,000 rand and it was bigger. This one that I'm looking at right now, 2.5. So I'm just gonna go in and look at the other options. So come with me. The prices are a bit crazy. They are like double the size. So I didn't even spend more than 5 minutes inside. The prices are crazy. So I'm just gonna buy the one that I saw for 1,000 rand, and here they're selling it for 2.5. So I don't know when am I gonna get it, but at least I know when. I mean where I'm gonna get the mirror. So yeah, we'll talk later. I want to get home and show you guys the cups that I got from Jet Store. I forgot to show you guys the other day, so I'm just gonna show you guys once I get home. I had to do something today in Joberg, so I had to come very, very early in the morning, and now we're heading home. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. Today it is the 3rd of May, and I want to tell you guys for free that I've been in pain for the past 3 weeks. This is week 3 of me being in pain. Like, I don't know, I feel like my muscles just don't want to heal. Like, it is so bad, especially when I start running. The first week of feeling this pain, I didn't run at all. I didn't run literally the whole week. In the second week, I was running, but it was a struggle. And then this week, I ran twice, I think. Yeah, once, I don't know, I'm not sure. But now I've been trying to stretch and it is hell. So honestly, I hope everything goes well for me. I hope I won't like run slow, because literally just the other day I was struggling to run a 5k. I ran a 5k for 45 minutes. Or was it 58? I don't know, I'll just put a screenshot somewhere. Like, it was so bad. And I usually run like my 5ks for like 34-35 minutes. Like, imagine an extra 10 minutes. Like, it was terrible. But honestly, I hope like I manage, because I'm running a 10k. Obviously, like when I go to a race, I run 10ks. So I hope it's not like, I hope it's not gonna be bad. And this is what I'm wearing. I hope you guys can see me. I'm having my cup of coffee. I'm having my cup of coffee in my new coffee. Guys, I'm gonna get like coffee mugs literally everywhere, because I drink a lot of coffee and I drink a lot of tea. So I need something very cute for that all the time.